Despite the many, many successes and few challenges that this project had in this course, it overwhelmingly helped me to become a better pre-service teacher, to become a better future teacher, and to truly see how a unit, a smaller version of a unit, is made and created and thought about. And I think that this course is a great way for students to learn about that and learn how to connect a social studies standard and a science standard and how to use them interdisciplinary and how to use them to their full effect to give the students the most effective learning experience as well as the most meaningful learning experience. I think that regarding the whole unit as a whole, it was a great opportunity to learn how to meet the needs of all students, all the diverse learners that we as future teachers will be encountering and working with in the future. For example, learning how to work with a student who has autism and how to tailor our lesson and to create a an intervention especially for this student that is tailored to their needs and is tailored to how they think and how they work, and being able to still incorporate them into the lesson and into the rest of the class is a great opportunity for them and will truly help them learn more and learn in a better way. And one other thing that this unit really taught me how to do is incorporate inquiry-based learning. So inquiry is basically sparking that curiosity, that natural curiosity that our students have, that they want to crave and they thrive wanting to learn more with that curiosity. And incorporating that into the lesson was a little difficult at first. And I think that just overall, learning how to incorporate that just by using tools and activities to to flourish that natural curiosity that those children have is a great skill to have in the future as a teacher.